The weekly code quiz. What element is used to identify HTML code? The HTML element. What element is used for the title of the web page? The title element. Where does the title display? On the Browser tab. What element contains the information that helps your web page function, like styles and scripts? The head element. What element designates the main content? The body element. What does H3 denote? A heading with a third level of hierarchy. How many heading elements are there? There are 6 levels of headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Is an H6 heading larger than an H2 heading? No. As the heading number increases, the hierarchy decreases. So an H6 heading is not as important as an H2 heading. H1 is the main heading. Presented by Designers Learn Code.